If you want to backup data on Realme 14T, then first of all, we can go to Settings. Now over here in the settings, we're gonna scroll all the way down and then choose System and Update. After that, you should be able to find Backup and Reset. And there we go. Over here at the top, we have Backup and Migrate. Then you can choose, for example, Local Backup in order to create a backup of your data on the local storage. So we can press New Backup. In this case, we need to connect our phone, for example, to your computer, or you can use a USB flash drive, and then we can start creating the backup. In addition to that, we can also use our Google account in order to create a backup. So in this case, we can go to Google account here. We can choose what we want to backup. So we can choose photos and videos as well as other device data. And then we can press confirm. And then go to manage backup. And if you want to, you can immediately perform the backup by choosing backup now button over here. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.